time. $60 tuna cause I did it in my driveway. Got the whole weekend cause I taught it on a Friday. $60 because I off of eBay. I can speed now on the freeway. Subscribe. That bitch crusty. Ooh. He's been in there for 8 years. I don't know if they was changed before I got the car, but I had the car for 8 years. So we're gonna say 8 years. I got generic ones from eBay Motors. I love eBay Motors. I got this. I got this whole spark plug and ignition coil kit from eBay Motors. I'm gonna do the front coils first, then pull it back off. Do the back coil, and pull the intake off. The manifold off, and then go about it like that. And then this is my temperature sensor for my oil. One more in here. There we go. I think that's what it's called, board scope. If I had one of those, we could look in there, but hey, it ain't broke. If you see some shit, I was just gonna slap it back together anyway if I did see something. But you know, cause I ain't one of those YouTubers that what I do with the. I'm not one of the YouTubers that oh, we gotta change this, cause I ain't getting no money like that. You know, I'm on a budget right now, so that's why I really went to eBay Motors. You save so much money on eBay. If you got time and you know something coming up, order that part from eBay. Don't wait till that shit broke, cause then you're gonna have to get that shit immediately, especially if that's your only car. Like if this is my only car and I waited last minute to order this shit, to get it, then you'll be out of a car, especially if it's like real bad. You'll be out of a car for a minute. I changed the engine mounts on her before. The radiator got changed. I ain't do that though. I should have did it though. The pulley got changed. I ain't do that. I should have did that too. But that was down at $600. I should do the PCB valve. I think that's this green thing right here. I gotta wait till Mama get back. Got them out. Look at this one. I should have changed the valve cover gaskets, but like I said, this boy is almost out the door. Use the other three. Shit, I mean, I did my Tahoe. You see that little point, that little needle looking point? Tahoe didn't even have those. I want a PCV valve since I already got all this out. I'm gonna do a tune-up.
Me and my woman been going through a lot of changes for about 6 months, so.
I don't have a spark plug socket, but it's just working. You just gotta feel for it. Make sure you're not cross-threading. Last night, me and my woman, sometimes it has to rain. Alright, so I had to drive this Camry because the Nissan is still apart. This Camry lug nuts ain't tighten all the way up, but I really need to get to the store real quick because it's supposed to rain today. And this Camry, it'll get me around the corner. I just gotta get the autos on real quick. Luckily, I live around the corner, but I should run this light. I'm about to run this light. I ain't got no tags, no plates, no nothing. It's definitely loose. Look at it. I can literally touch all of these. I might not need this sensor because everybody says the wire. And I checked the wire, and the wire is exposed. All type of shit. I don't know if y'all be able to see it, but like that's not supposed to look like that. All the insulation off the wire is gone. So I might need a whole new plug, unless I can. Matter of fact, let me cut it and see if I can refurbish it. So I was gonna buy a new hose, power steering hose, but cause it got like some cracks at the end of the hose. But they so close to the end of the hose, I'm just gonna cut them off. No luck, y'all. No fucking luck. I done tore up the connector, and I'm looking on Amazon. I need something like tomorrow. I need something to come today. I need like what happens to that 24-hour Amazon? Like they come out on Friday. They don't even give me the option. Cause you know why? It's not coming from Amazon. It's coming from somebody else. But they don't even give me the option. All this fucking running around. I should have went to O'Reilly's. O'Reilly's always come clutch. And AutoZone, they got it, but guess what? They didn't unload the truck, the trailer, to put it on the shelves. Not even, oh, you know what? We were short staffed today. We weren't able to unload the truck. I'm like, how's that my problem? It's your problem because we can't get it. Why you can't go grab it right now? The truck's full of boxes and pallets. Hey man, I got time. Y'all close at 10, you got time too. At least an hour. Sorry, y'all. Them suckers ain't have it either, but they had something else, and I'm about to force it in there. I'm about to shimmy off the bottom. Got it, but it goes on upside down, like the connector is upside down. It's supposed to go in this way, but I can only get it to go in upside down. And this little thing is in the way, like the thing that locks the connector in, that's in the way. I just needed to plug in. I don't give a fuck about nothing else. It just gotta plug in, and then I might be able to disassemble it and do the old switcheroo on it. You know, I might be able to switch it into my new connector. But yeah, these part stores suck. I'm tired of part stores. Like, they suck. What's the year, make, and model? It don't matter. I'm telling you what I'm looking for. I gave you the part number. Just look at the part number. Or then AutoZone had what I was looking for, but they couldn't give it to me because it wasn't unpacked. It wasn't unpacked. Luckily, this is only $5, so it wasn't unpacked. That pissed me off because it wasn't unpacked. And it was supposed to be unpacked today. Everybody clock out, go home. If I pull up to the restaurant and I go through the drive-through, the fast food. I go through the drive-through, and you tell me, "Are your system down? Your system down for real? Then why you still clocked in? Clock out and go home." And then I went. This like my 4th part store. That was my 4th part store. And then Advanced Auto was next door. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna just take my chances. And then I don't even need the little lock piece to lock it in. I'm just gonna tape it. It was talking about how. Yeah.
That's how they got me.
Oh, you cut it uneven, like, bro. Oh my God. I don't know, this feels just fine to do. Alright, this feels. I ain't got no hat on. What? I ain't even think about that. Hopefully it's stretched far enough. But after running around to a million stores last night, I was hoping I can just pop a new inside in there. But I think it's all one piece. So what I'm about to do is, so what I got was this connector, like the connections should match up. Only thing is, I'm gonna have to flip it. But I gotta shave this. See this? I gotta shave this off. So hopefully I can do that real quick. Motherfucker smooth. It fits. It works. Yes, sir. Making my own connectors. I'll try to put this power steering hose back on. Ooh, this. Ooh, shit, this creeper hot as fuck. Sorry. Like I'm cooking on it. So I just changed it. It was real easy. It wasn't real tight or nothing in there. Probably like 15, 20 foot-pounds. I don't know what this is, but everything good, tuned up. I also had some engine cleaner. I got some oven and grill cleaner. I can degrease this stuff with. I think I might do that. It's working though. I ain't washing nothing. I just straight up. Straight. Yo. Huh? What happened? Oh, you about to fall. I ran some black at one point in time. Like I plastic dipped them with black before. And I peeled them off. But it was too much maintenance. Stop. Yeah, I should put some grease in there. That water ain't seep down in there. Alright, y'all. I'm about to try to get the air out the power steering. Alright, let's see if we can get this shit out of there. Ugh. I hope all the bugs that was in here last night died. Alright, y'all, about to see how this boy drive. I cleared the code, but it still pop up when I scan it. But it said it's a permanent code, so I don't know. We're about to see real quick. But for the most part, it still looks ashy. Boy, need some tire shine or something. I don't know. Leather shine. The power steering, this now it's starting to act right because it wasn't acting. It's still hard, but let's see. So far so good. That ain't nothing though. And I kind of washed the outside of it too. Y'all know where I'm at. Don't be over here trying to look for me and shit. No shakies, no shaky. It's dirty and ashy and dull and stuff, but it's cool. So what I'm gonna do is, these are my plans. I might throw my sounds back in here. But for real, what I'm gonna do is fiberglass this. Fiberglass that. Try to close this gap right here. I'm gonna try to see if I can come in from the inside or from down here and screw into this, or screw from here to screw into this. Then I gotta I cleaned that wheel too. Oh, you seen that shit. But that motherfucker ride cool. And then I'm gonna get some rims. I want some rims, some 22s. I want 22s. I'm gonna put some lights up in there. Just because like this ain't like a show car or nothing. It's just like a cool car. I don't care about these dents. And that's all I'm gonna do. That's all I'm gonna do. Stop. I need to start having a camera up like everybody else. But that's all I'm gonna do though. Paint, window deflectors. I need a new windshield. But I might not even do that either. If it ain't cracking no more, I ain't touching it. Fuck the dents. Paint or wrap. Might just paint though. Paint. Then I should do an orange. I should do an orange, like a burnt sun orange or something. Something like that. Paint, rims, and that's it, honestly. Paint and rims. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. This is my job. I'm trying to do, right now I'm doing budget stuff that I can't afford. Like, you know, everybody else buying Lambos and shit. This is the beginning. Okay, bye-bye. See you later. I really want to live, you know? So you going camping, go-kart racing, stuff like that. Like, I want to buy projects and stuff like that. And not just be seriously, oh, seriously on the car. Like, my shit kind of be vlog style, so. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Cut that bitch off!